Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through chapter 4 only, that is studying the earth. Today I'll explain you once again the whole exercises of this chapter plus the brief question answers and the detailed question answers. So we will go through the revision of this chapter once again. Okay? So that it will be easy for you to understand. And tomorrow I will take your revision test of chapter 2, exercises, very short question answer, detailed question answer, means all the part of chapter 2. Okay, so you will give your revision test in your revision copy. If you have, you can give in that also, otherwise you can give it in your rough copy. Okay, so today I'll explain you what is cross-staff, what is sextant, what is magnetic compass, and what are the 5 Ds, and 3 types of maps. So all that with question answers we had gone through, explain it all once again to you. Okay, and hope you are writing your question answers in your SST fair copy. You make your fair copy. And students, how many of you have paid your April fees? You just in personal message only you tell me that I have paid the April fees, so that I can come to know and I will give that information to the other teacher. Okay, so today we will go through chapter 4 once again, studying the earth, and hope you have completed your diagram and your summer holiday homework. Whenever I will tell you to give, you just give me and then I will correct it. So let's start with the chapter 4, exercises and question answers. So students, these are the chapter 4 exercises. The navigational, this is the circle, the correct options. The navigational instrument invented by the Greeks helped in measuring latitude. So that was astrolabe. What did John Hadley invent? So he invented sextant. Maps are 2-dimensional. A magnetic compass is used for finding directions. Then fill in the blanks. Topographical maps show shape and elevation of an area. And dash make maps. So cartographers make maps. Maps are drawn to dash, that is scale. Political maps are used for showing political boundaries. The dash are the language of a map, so the symbols are the language of the map. So these are the 2 exercises of this chapter, and then we come to the brief question answer. So students, the brief question answer is this: why are physical maps used? So why it is used? Physical maps are used to show Earth's natural features like mountains, forests, rivers, elevation, reliefs, etc. Then what are climate map? Climate map shows climatic conditions in areas like distribution of rainfall, temperature, humidity, etc. Means it is all about climate. Then what is a cross-staff? Cross-staff was the instrument used by navigators to find the latitude of a place. It was used earlier, now it is not in use. Then what is an astrolabe? This instrument was invented in the 2nd century BCE by the Greeks, and it was used to measure latitudes. Then we come to the 5th brief question answer. What is sextant? So this instrument was invented to calculate the distance between the horizon and celestial bodies like stars and planets, means land and planets. So it was used to calculate the distance. Then we come to the detailed question answers of chapter 4, that is explain the 5 Ds. The 5 Ds are, first one is description. So every map has a name, number, scale, legends and symbols, means all maps are different. So detail, they explain the layout of the land. All its specific features are represented by various symbols, means it shows us what type of land it is. It is a desert land or it is an agricultural land. Then direction, all map shows relative direction from one point to another. What is the direction of the map? Then distance, maps are always drawn to scale. This is done because this enables to fit the area being mapped on a sheet of paper. I told you na, that if it is a big area or a large area, then to fit it on a sheet of paper, we use this scale. Then fifth one is designation. Designation for the ease of understanding various features on maps. It is written in different styles. For example, water bodies are always represented by blue color. Means they show the different colors. For water bodies blue, for mountains brown, for plateaus yellow, like this, and for plains green. Then we come to the second question. Give detailed descriptions of any three types of maps. So first is physical maps. It shows Earth's natural features like mountains, forests, rivers, elevations, relief, etc. Political, it shows divisions of countries, states, political boundaries, name of cities and capitals. Then topographical map, it shows contour lines, that what is the area of that line, what shape it is going. Then shapes and elevation of an area. Then what is a magnetic compass? Magnetic compass is the most important invention in the field of exploration science. It tells direction. It is still being used today. And the last question is explain the scale of the map. So the scale of the map of a map is the ratio between the distance shown on a map and the actual ground distance. So it is divided into two categories: large scale maps and small scale maps. So students, these were the brief question answers, detailed question answers and exercises of this chapter. And then afterwards, tomorrow you will be having your revision test of chapter 2. Okay, thank you.